I have a Robertshaw thermostat and am installing a Nest.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Thermostat.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Having trouble identifying two of my wires. One is labeled WB and the other is labeled YO. Those are the port labels on the thermostat.
Hello. Ignore any labels someone put on the wire. Attach photos of the old thermostat wiring or tell me which color of wire went to each terminal on the old thermostat. Tell the model of Nest you have. Is it 1, 2 or 3 model? Use the Add Files link next to your Send button to get the photos to me. http://worldwar2.justanswer.com/help/how do I send photo or file expert HL. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. Our auting will not increase your charges, but it is how I earn a living.
Here is a photo of my wiring.
It looks like you have a heat pump, if that is the old thermostat wiring. Is it the old thermostat wiring? The Nest requires a C wire. Your old thermostat used batteries. Look for a spare wire wrapped around the cable inside the wall. See if you can find a spare wire. I still need to know which model of Nest you have, and I need the full model of the old thermostat to pull the manual on it. It is a very unusual configuration.
Nest Learning Thermostat 3rd General. I believe the thermostat is model RS3110. The wiring picture I sent you is from my current Robertshaw thermostat. I don't believe I have a heat pump. It's a Luxair model PFO 36 SG.
Hello. If you do not find a spare wire wrapped around the end of the cable that goes through the wall, then we can use a complicated synthetic C wire creator, or we can disconnect the green where it lands inside the furnace, and connect to the C terminal there and then the C terminal on your thermostat. Then connect red wire to R, yellow wire to Y or Y1 doesn't matter, white wire to W on the Nest. Give that a try. Let me know how it goes. When we finally get the situation solved, please select the Finish and Rate Your Expert link near the top of your page and click on it. Thanks.
I connected the wire that was going into the WB slot on my old thermostat into the W1 on my Nest. And I connected the wire that was going into the YO slot into the Y1 on my Nest. Ran the tests on the Nest and everything seems to be working okay. Sounds okay.
Great. To close the question, click on the Finish and Rate Your Expert link near the top of your page.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.